Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our CSCA Physics Fast Track Exam Analysis. So today we will discuss about December 2025 questions and January 2026 questions, and also March 2026 questions. So here's the three exams decoded, total 144 questions analyzed in 5 modules mapped. So okay, everything you need to know in 10 minutes. So let's start our discussion class. In the next 10 minutes, 144 questions, 5 modules, and I have decoded exactly what you need to know for your CSCA Physics exam. In the next 10 minutes, you are going to learn which topic exploded from 0 to 7 questions across these exams, the one formula saying that appears in every induction problems, and what's disappearing from mechanics so you can stop wasting time, and the ghost module that vanished in March but will be back. So let's go into it. So as you can see here, here's the claim table showing module countless across, here's the table across 3 exams, and here is the module one, module mechanics, modules electromagnetism, thermodynamics, optics, and modern physics. So here's the big pictures. Mechanics is still the king. 45 to 45% of your exam always has been, always will be. So but look at the electromagnetism in December. Okay, and as you can see here, December 10 questions, January 7, that's a 70% jump. So March settled at 14, but that's still way higher than December. So now look at thermodynamics and optics, 2 questions every single time, rock solid, predictable, you love to see it. And modern physics are present in December and January, but completely gone in March. We will talk about why that matters later. Okay. Mechanics is still the biggest module, but the topics inside mechanics are changing first. Free fall used to be everywhere. December had 4 questions, January and March only 2 each. That's the 50% drop. So, but circular motions 0 in December. Then 3 in January, 3 in March. That's not a coincidence. That's the new normal. So work energy. Always 5 to 6 questions every exam, no exceptions. So, and waves and SHM, 0 in December, 1 in January, 2 in March, it's rising. So here's the circular motion, the formula set you must own. And let me show you March question 7. A wheel with points A and B, same wheel, same angular velocity. The question asks about linear velocities. If you know V equals omega R, and you know the point further from the center has bigger velocity, that's it, free point. So memorize these 3 formulas: V is equals to omega R, AC is equals to V square divided by R, and FC is equals to MB square divided by R. That's your entire circular motion section done. So as you can see here, there is the formula you have to memorize. Here is the formula and here is the formula. Okay. So electromagnetism, the game changer. This is where the exam transformed. Induction went from 0 questions in December to 4 in January, 3 in March. It is now a permanent features. So and it's old mastering cold. So you cannot afford to skip it. Every induction problem follows the same chain. March questions 47 is the a perfect example. Step 1, a rod moving on rails, induced EMF equals B times L times B. And step 2, here's the current equals EMF over resistance. So I equals BLV over R. So step 3 here is the dead current. Dead current creates a magnetic force opposing the motion. F is the uh, and here is if resistance increase, forces and forces decreases. So larger R means smaller currents, means weaker braking force. So the chain appears in every induction question. So memorize these ones. Okay. So here is the step 3, step 1, and step 2. You have to memorize these things. And here's the Lenz law, one rule every questions. Okay. And Lenz law, one rule oppose the changes. So and pole, here's the and pole. Okay, so and pole approaching the coil repels becomes an and pole facing the magnet. So as pole moving away, the coil attracts become an as pole to chase it. Mars questions 45 tested this exactly. If you know oppose, you got it right. Okay, and here's the breakdown. And here's the level 3 thermal optics and modern physics. Thermodynamics always two questions, gas laws every time. So Mars questions 32 showed PT graph, straight line through the origin volume constant, not through the origin, volume changes. So combined gas law, P1 V1 is equals to here's, as you can see here, P1 V1 P1 V1 divided by T is equals to P2 V2 divided by T2. Here's the first law, del U is equals to Q minus W. So that's your entire playbook for thermodynamics. And here's the optics. And here's the optics. Also, so you have to remember this one, n1 sine theta 1 is equals to n2 sine theta 2. Okay, and here's the if n1 greater than n2 and theta greater than theta c. So where sine theta c is equals to n2 divided by n1. So both conditions must be true simultaneously. You have to remember these ones. And also here's the modern physics. So you have, for modern physics, you have to only remember these things. These things are enough for modern physics. Okay, these things are enough for modern physics. Remember this one, and also you have to memorize this formula. And here is the based on 3 exams, here's what your exam will look like. So mechanics 24 to 26 questions here, and electromagnetism 15 to 17 questions, 3 to 4 on inductions. Okay, and here is the thermodynamics, 2 questions guaranteed, and from optics also 2 questions, and it's coming back again, and here's the total 48 questions. Okay, so you have to 3 steps to 19 percentile. If you want to make sure 90% mark, you have to follow must these 3 steps. Here's the 3 steps. Step 1 is a master in new things. So we already discussed about these things: v is equals to omega r, and s equals to v square r, and fc is equals to mb square divided by r. And here's also this formula. You have to memorize this formula. And here, so here's, so you have to master the new. So circular motion formulas and induction chain, the highest return on your time. So here's the step 2. As you can see here, step 2 is the log the consistent work energy theorem, Shell's log, gas laws. This appears every exam. So drill until automatic, right? So memorize this formula and practice this formula for April exam. And here is the step 3. Prepare the absent. Okay, prepare the absent, and modern physics will return 20 minutes reviewing hydrogen atom and photoelectric effect. 2 free points you will get. So you have to memorize all of these things, and you have to practice all of these things. And here's the quick reference for you. So here's the mechanics. You see, here's the mechanics 3 exams analyzed. So here's the mechanics pattern found 0 to gas work, right? Here is the mechanics and here's the formula, all the formula, and here's the electromagnetism, and here's the important all, and here's the thermodynamics for this one, and here's the optics for this one, and modern physics here's the for this one. So you have to master all of this formula if you want to make sure your 90% mark in your exam, or if you can, you also guarantee, you also make sure your 100% mark. So remember all of these things. So if you recap again, and here you have to remember these things, right? Here's the mechanics. As you can see, we already discussed about 21 questions in December, 26 question in January, 27 question in March. So you, as you can see here, mechanics is the most important part, and electromagnetism is the second most important part. Okay, and others are equal. Okay, so thank you for listening the class.